Why does your scanner show the P0867 engine code? What does it mean? P0867 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission fluid pressure. This engine code indicates that it means the Transmission Control Module TCM has detected an issue with the pressure of the fluid going through the transmission, likely due to a faulty sensor or wiring problem. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Low transmission fluid, transmission fluid pressure sensor failure, TCM problems, internal transmission problems, wiring issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Kia Forte and some Hyundai Elantra models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.